Unlocking the Sound of Bitcoin. A deep dive into Ordinals music theory. Did you know that Bitcoin isn't just for finance? With the Ordinal music theory, we use Satoshis, the smallest units of Bitcoin, to store and share audio. Let's explore how this works. Before we get started, let's review a few concepts. Bitcoin is a digital currency, and Satoshis are its smallest units. One Bitcoin can be broken down into 100 million Satoshis. Think of Satoshis as pennies to a dollar. So how do we make Bitcoin musical? The sound of Satoshis. By adding audio inscriptions to Satoshis, each one can carry a unique piece of sound. It could be a note, a sample, a song, or an entire album. What's more, because each Satoshi is unique and can be tracked, we can create an entirely new, secure and transparent way of sharing audio. I have found these to be the most useful ones for inscribing ordinals. BTP, or Bitcoin Transfer Protocol, is the magic behind it. It allows us to add audio to Bitcoin and fosters a new open and accessible digital audio ecosystem. This fosters innovation, collaboration, and unrestricted flow of audio information on the Bitcoin network. Introducing our Ordinals music apps and devices. Let's take a look at some of the applications and devices that use this theory: OPlayer, OSounds, OMusic, Originals, and OWalk. Each one plays a unique role in our new, Bitcoin-powered audio universe. OPlayer is a media player that can load a digital wallet and reproduce audio Satoshis. Think of it as your personal jukebox that plays music coins. OSounds are Satoshis transformed into audio files. Many files can be a part of a OSound, but always keep in mind that the final form of the file is the one that can reproduce the final product. This final SAT can be reminted onto other SATs and be sold or transferred. OMusic is an app for managing your music collection. Originals. The minted songs or sounds created by original artists, distributors, and authorized wallets. Any ordinal inscribed by non-official wallets will be considered fake. OWalk. A mobile blockchain wallet designed to securely transport your audio Satoshis, enabling playback at any location. This device functions akin to a hard wallet, but with an added feature that allows for headphone connection, thus transforming your monetary assets into an auditory experience. Advantages of Ordinals music theory. Now, why is all this so exciting? It opens up a new world for artists, listeners, and the music industry as a whole. With this, we can ensure authentic audio content, transparent tracking and transactions, and foster a new era of digital audio innovation. We are only just scratching the surface of what Ordinals music theory can do. I invite you to explore it more and think about how it can revolutionize the way we create, share, and listen to audio.